This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nancy Johnson. This immaculate 4-bedroom/2-bath home is conveniently located close to the hospitals in downtown Ocala. When you walk through, you will see that a lot of thought and love went into the updating and the maintenance of this home. It has been beautifully and completely updated with granite countertops, luxury vinyl flooring, gas fireplace, high-end stainless steel appliances in the kitchen, and the bathrooms are updated with a gorgeous modern look. The new roof was installed in 2019, new exterior doors installed in 2022, dishwasher was installed in 2023, and the gas range was installed in 2021. This home features a cozy gas fireplace, large laundry room, and large family/den with French doors leading to the backyard. The circular drive, front porch, and mature landscaping brings so much curb appeal to this home. If you are searching for a move-in ready, updated home in a great location with no HOA fees, this is the home for you. Call today and schedule a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Johnson at 352-266-4823.